Well, just to recap what happened this morning. Basically, I got up at about 3:45, 4. Couldn't sleep much after 3 o'clock. Of course, I didn't want to oversleep. Um, went went in, got ready. We left home by about 5:05. Picked up Krishna from his home and went to the Holy Cross Hospital in Silver Spring. It was The weather was cooperating, so it wasn't very cold, and we were able to get to the hospital in time. By about 5:45, 5:50 we were there, and just as we entered, it was like clockwork. 6 o'clock they checked us in, and after the initial questions and other things, verifying that indeed I was a person, they basically took us into the room where they checked all the basic vitals, blood pressure, temperature, everything, and then I was given IV at about maybe it was close to about 6:30, and then at about 7 o'clock the anesthetist came in and he checked with me and said everything was going to be fine. Then they basically the doctor came in at about 7:10 or so, Dr. Shagog. Dr. Shagog gave me a quick update in terms of what's going to happen. They marked my right shoulder in terms of marking it to make sure that they were going to operate in the right at the correct place. So after marking it, at about 7:35, they wheeled me into room number 1, the operating room number 1, where they just spoke to me for a few minutes, and then they gave me a cortisone shot after searching for a couple of places on my right shoulder, just near the neck area, and the cortisone shot took effect, and they said they were going to give me some oxygen, so they put me some mask, and I don't know what it was, but after that the only thing I remember was at about 10:15, 10:20 I got up, and they said everything was done, and I was out in the recovery room. And from there they actually took me to a place where Bharti and Krishna came in and met me at about 10:40 to 10:45, and they had put in kind of a they had put my hand on a sling. I didn't even know that, and after probably about an hour of observation, they said I could go home. So by about 12:15 or so, I was discharged and came home by about 1 o'clock. So 1:15. So it was a very easy procedure. I didn't feel much pain, and right now I'm just kind of enjoying the luxury of just sitting at home, watching television, doing nothing other than attending phone calls. So just wanted to give an update. Till then, talk to you.